Well, here's another Leslie 120 speaker cabinet. This time I removed the back panel so you could see the inside. There's the back panel, Leslie organ speaker model 120. That's the top panel. Here's the bottom panel, the power switch and the input jack to it. There's the original cable that would have gone to the organ. On the left side, it just goes to the speaker. The right side would have gone to the organ, and the only wires I didn't cut are the red and the black, and they go over to the input jack. And here's the power switch. The middle is the input, 120 volt input from the wall. The top wire is the output to the low speed section of the motor, and the bottom wire is the output to the high speed section of the motor. And there's the motor right there. And that's the motor, and one's a high speed, one's a low speed. And you can kind of see the belt or the rope up there, which spins this styrofoam mechanism that gives the speaker the tremolo sound or that Doppler effect. And there's the speaker right there, and it's fixed, it's bolted to the cabinet. I believe all these came with a 12-inch speaker. It's a Jensen 12-inch. This one's a C12N. There's the 220 means Jensen, and the date code is 10th week of 1967. So this is a 1967 cabinet. The last one I did was a 68, but they're pretty much the same. Here's the switch and the amplifier speaker cable. Today we'll be playing it through a Fender Bassman, black bass, and 64 Fender Reverb tank. So let's see what it sounds like. First we'll try the low setting. So now we'll try the fast speed. Thanks for watching.